The future of industry is being built today, a future powered by clean energy, electric mobility, and semiconductor innovation. Behind every advanced manufacturing facility lies one critical foundation: precision cleanroom infrastructure. That is where Pophen Technology India Private Limited leads the way. Pophen is a next-generation cleanroom architectural solutions provider, delivering world-class systems for renewable energy, battery plants, semiconductor fabs, pharmaceutical facilities, and other controlled environments. From design and engineering to manufacturing, installation, and execution, we provide complete turnkey cleanroom solutions built for performance, speed, and reliability. Backed by global expertise and strong innovation, Pophen has earned international certifications including FM approvals, SGS, TUV, and Intertech. With nearly 70 patents and advanced production facilities across India, Europe, and Asia, we combine technology with trust. Our mission is simple: build infrastructure that powers the industries of tomorrow. The demand for cleanrooms is rising faster than ever before. As governments and private industries invest billions into semiconductors, EV batteries, and solar manufacturing, the need for high-performance facilities continues to grow. This creates a massive opportunity, and Pophen is strategically positioned to capture it. Global industry leaders have already trusted Pophen for mission-critical projects including Tesla, Intel, Texas Instruments, Global Foundries, CATL, Tata Electronics, and Waaree Energies. These partnerships demonstrate confidence in our execution, quality, and scale. In India, the opportunity is even bigger. With the rise of Make in India, semiconductor missions, EV expansion, and renewable energy growth, Pophen India is entering the market at exactly the right time. With an expert leadership team and strong execution capability, we are ready to scale nationwide. This is more than infrastructure. This is the backbone of future manufacturing, a company built on innovation, driven by execution, positioned for growth. Pophen India, building the cleanrooms that build the future.